Yeah, what we're doing, guys, for one of our customers is we've re-supported and reframed this in. We have the steel brackets already inside. And it's just this bay, and then this bay. You can see we had a new steel strap on there, and then we have our backing and our joist hangers in already installed. And then we're getting ready to set the pier and put a 4x6 block right here. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your crawl space repairs at your home or your office. You can see you have a metal strap over there too. So just reinforcing this whole area. There was a big sag.